Hey people, what's going on? It's your boy Richard here. I'm just sitting here doing my one trade today. I really didn't do a 5 minute trade today. I did a long time ago. I made a lot of money, and earlier this year made some money with trading the indices, which is indices binaries, which is right here, which is like this is US 500. They do have trades of like the 20-minute binaries are indices, but I'm not really trading 20-minute binaries because I actually have a normal job, so I work during the day. So I went into this trade. So as you can see, I'm up $1,500. Now, usually towards the end of the day, when it comes to indices, and this is the S&P 500 I'm trading, um, the market slows down. So it slows down and it stays in a range, and it usually doesn't do any big movement. So right now, as you can see, it's at 26.48. Right now it's 3:36. I'm pretty sure I got 38 minutes left on this trade. I'm pretty sure that this trade is going to win. I don't have to pull out the trade early or anything. I'm pretty sure this trade is going to win. So as you can see, the trade's fluctuating and doing its thing. Um, but that's basically like I did 88 trades, of course. This was yesterday. If you looked at my account, it was like a little over $26,000. So if you had a little bit over $26,000, I got 88 contracts. So basically, I'm making $30.24 per trade. So let's say that's 28.24 because I'm counting the fees. Times that by 88 because I got 88 contracts. So 88. So in reality, when this trade's all said and done, um, like even though I'm risking like over $6,000 um for the trade, I end up making over $2,400. So um, but 24.85, which is almost $2,500 on this trade, which is not bad at all. So um, and that could be your one trade a day. Cause I did a daily. So like say if you did your analysis in the morning, you see what it's doing because you really want to go into these trades in the morning when the U.S. stock market's about to open, and so like, right before it opens to see exactly what the trade's going to do that day because you really want to look at the charts and the charts for trading view. Let's go to trading view. It's not really that good. I use TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim charts. Usually, let's see. Look at this. 1 minute. That's probably gonna come down. Let's see. 5 minute trade. USD JPY. Let's see. Maybe I got 1 minute left on that trade. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead set up for USD JPY. Um, sitting at 39. Okay. 54, 59. Oh, I'm doing. The trade's not over yet. It already fell. Dang it. I wasn't able to jump in the trade. Trade already moved. Let's see. I just hope that it goes back up. Touching up here. It stays up here for the next before the next 5 minute interval starts. I want to get a good price. 47. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I'm gonna do 8 contracts. 8 contracts. So let's see what happens. That that sudden jump. So right now, that jump. Okay, so it came back down. So now we're just waiting for this trade to end. So I'm already up like $122. So if a person is already up like that much money, and like, okay, shit, to jump out the trades early, you gotta also remember that I got 8 contracts. So making like 59, take away 2. Well, just put it this way, 2 times 8. So $16 at my profit, I have to turn to cost or whatever. So if I want to jump out this contract this early, if I want to make over $100, say like right now, so current market value, okay, it flipped really fast. But basically, I'll just put it like at say 40. That'll be what I'm going for. So it's sitting at 49. See, if it's sitting at 49, I'll lose the trade because it had to sit below 49 for me to win the trade. So if it's like, let me go back to the charts. So it's really close. Let's see what happens. It's like really close. It should have went down on that movement. So basically, right now, all I'm gonna do, see right now it's sitting at 35. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this to 35, 37, 20, 27. Watch this. That was a huge spike it did. That when it hit the 27. Let's see if it does it again. Got 2 minutes left on the trade. This trade's not looking that good. It cannot be sitting at 49 when the trade ends. So if it hits 27, I'll jump out the trade automatically. It's at 30. Actually, 30 looks pretty good. 29, and there we go. So I'm out of that trade just like that. So I'll push the account up. You saw it was below 20,000. So now it's sitting at 20,200. And this trade is still going, which is my daily. So as you can see, I just did a 5-minute trade. Went pretty well. Using these moving averages as my support or my resistance line. But like I said, what I was going to show you before, this is SP 500. Now these charts don't look that good, but basically, as you can see, 26 50 is way up here. That means this had to jump all the way up here. So let me go ahead and draw these charts. This resistance line. So horizontal line. So it's gotta go way up here for me to lose this trade. All the way up here. I'm gonna just go all the way up here. It has to go all the way up here for me to lose the trade. All the way up here. As you can see for the day, um, let me look at the day or whatever. Let's go this far right. It needs to go up here really, but I'm gonna put it right here. As you can see for the day, it really hasn't touched that area. It went as just as high as 51, and then it just fell down. So let's look at our chart. That's our chart. Came down. So 5-minute chart. Look at it. It came down. There's a spike here that came down, but these if you have 5 minute trades, and these charts you have to use if you're doing the 20-minute binaries. So if you're doing 20-minute binaries, then you could probably use these charts to gauge the trades because they're 20 minutes. So just like that. But as you can see, this trade is really doing nice. So this is gonna win. So and basically that's what you're doing. So you got your 5 minute binaries, you got your 20-minute binaries, which is the S&P 500 and like S&P 500 and the Russell 2000. So stuff like that. If you want to trade Wall Street stock type stuff, the indices, of course. We don't ever really get into spreads, so we're not even gonna get into that. But like I said, you see the indices binaries, you can do those, and that's what I'm doing right now. So you go to S&P 500, they got one that's from 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. They got the daily that ends. You can get in anytime after 5 p.m. Eastern, and the daily it ends at 4:15. So you can plan ahead 24 hours if you're good that way. And then sometimes there's a weekly. You could place one trade a week where you think the market's going to move in a week. So if you think it's going to move up to 26.35 or down to 26.35, you could get into this trade. Look at it. You're risking on a $4.75. Your max profit is $95. Of course, you're not going to hit that because you only got 27 minutes left in the trade. But yeah, risk $57 to make 1,000. Yeah, why not? But anyway, that's just the basis of this account. Really need to go through this and practice. If you really want to make any good money, you have to practice. If you don't practice, you're not going to get any better, which means you're not really going to make any good trades to make money. But if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. We getting new updates. Like and comment on the video, and let's all just keep making money. All right, peace.